Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another video. So in this video we'll be going through the best hosting platform out there for your site. Yes, in this video we'll be going through the best hosting platform for your website, and it's going to be a BlueHost review, and why this is actually the best hosting platform for you to host your websites and all that. So I'll be giving you reasons for this from practical, and I'll be giving you a live walkthrough of everything. So make sure you stick to it. But then before we get into it, please make sure that before we get back, you are kind of subscribed to our channel, and then you like this video at the end. So let's get started, guys. Okay, so Bluehost. Yes, you can't actually talk about hosting, domain hosting, without actually calling Bluehost. Is one of the best, if not the best, arguably, hosting platforms out there. Yes, and it's for a couple of reasons. When you talk about price, functionality, because this is their homepage. So already you can see they give you a free domain name for the first year, then they give you a free SSL certificate. You can see it, and then which another reason why I like them, which is this, is they are kind of they are in partnership with WordPress. Yes, they have been in partnership with WordPress for quite some time now. So it actually means that the whole, especially for those of us who will be building their sites based on WordPress, it will actually be an easy process for you. You know, WordPress actually makes things building sites easier. You don't even need to learn how to code. You just use simple drag and drop, and then you're building your site. That's the whole point of things. That's the whole point of development, to make things simpler. So you understand. So now having WordPress making the whole building website journey kind of easier now, and now you have a web hosting service that actually they're actually in partnership with your WordPress platform. Then you see it's actually a good combination for success. So that's it, guys. A lot of reasons, and then here's another awesome reason. These guys, they have one of the best customer support. Yes, very important, guys. You guys know I don't joke with this. Believe me, I don't joke with customer support. I won't even, I don't even personally, I don't patronize businesses or companies who don't treat their customers well. Understand? This is like my number one in whatever I do. This is like my number one. Understand? Yes, and then we'll start talking about product quality. Obviously, you're not the only person that has quality products, so I can always get quality products anywhere, but I need customer service. I need to be able to communicate with you. I need to be able to share my problems with you, and you being able to offer me a solution. That's it, guys. So these guys, they have awesome support, and that's why I'm actually recommending them to you guys. Then we'll start talking about the price, which is at $3.95 per month from $7.99. So you can see it's around 51% discount. That's almost half the price. So it's actually a good kind of experience altogether. So in this video I'll be giving you a live walkthrough of how to get started with BlueHost and web hosting service. So to that, let's get started already. So this is the BlueHost platform. Now the link to signing up to this hosting service is going to be down in the description below. And now the good thing is you get this discount when you use that code, guys. Remember, this is a discount from $7.99 to $3.95. So you're gonna get this discount if you use my as in the code the link down in the description below, guys. So make sure you use that. So when you do that, you just input that in your search bar, and then you are here. So when you get to this page, you just click get started, and it's loading. Okay, now it will take us to this other page. Now here is where they give you a walkthrough of their pricing and all that. So but if you're a beginner, you pretty much don't need to look at any of that thing. You just need the basic plan, because it has everything you need. So you have go through the features just to tell you that I'm not capping here, guys. These guys are one of the best. These guys, they give you, let's just cut the whole long stories here. We've already gone through the free domain, free 1 year domain, the CDN, the SSL certificate. Guys, these guys, they give you 50 gigabytes of web storage. 50 gigabytes at $3.95 per month. If you are actually into the game, you know how great this thing sounds, because I've seen web hosting providers that offer. I've seen two point something, I think around $2, $2, and they're offering like 2 gig. I'm not happy. I don't want to call names here. I don't want to cast anybody's business, but then I've seen it, guys. So these guys are giving you 50 gig web storage for your website. And then if you go for, further on to the other plans, that's the plus plan, you see they have unlimited storage at $5.95. So I'm not capping here, guys. So I know I recommend, you guys know I always recommend the best here, only the best of the best from my own view and experience. So I see what works and I show you guys. So believe me, these are the right guys. These are the guys you want to be building, as you want to be hosting your website on. Believe me, you're not going to regret that. So now let's continue. So let's go on and click get started. You click get started, and now you select your plan. So for a beginner, you'll be needing for the most part, you'll be needing the basic plan. So we'll go ahead and click the basic plan, select that, and then see where that takes us. So now it's asking us for a domain name. Now there are two options here. You can either choose create a new domain if you are new to, like, if you're building your website for the first time, understand, you can use create a new domain, and then you can use a domain of your own. This is if you had, like, if you have had you have a website already, but you were hosting it maybe on a different web hosting service provider, and now you want to migrate to BlueHost, understand? So you can now input your domain name, that's your site here, and then continue with those steps. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're doing this like this is from the scratch kind of thing. So let's go with the creating new domain. Now here's a pro tip. Now I know choosing a domain name can be very stressful. Believe me, it can be very stressful. Coupled with the fact that you understand, you choose a domain name and then already someone has already taken it, something like that. All those kind of problems. So now here's a tip. Now to get a domain name, like a free domain name and something related to what you're doing, I'm going to recommend this. Now you go to your search bar and look for this link domain search. Link domain search, yes. So now link domain search is actually something that helps you not only find available domain names, but it also helps you, it suggests available domain names within your, as in your related this thing. You give it a keyword and then it will look for not only available domain names, but domain names related to what, as in you gave it, as in what you want to do. So let's try something else. Let's say stores. Let's say you're into e-commerce and you're looking for stores kind of something. Let's see if that works. Okay, yes. So now it's actually going to generate available domain names as related to stores, understand? So you can actually choose anyone you like, understand? So let's try to look for a cool name. Let's look for, okay, stores energy. Let's just say stores energy. Okay, store square. Okay, I think store square is kind of cool. So okay, now we have store square, and store square is is okay. You can see already there's already an option here to register now with BlueHost. BlueHost was the only server, and then of course from BlueHost you can now create the website with WordPress. Now BlueHost is the server they gave here. This is just a site I just put up as in on what's it called, on a Google search, and it's giving us BlueHost so that it doesn't look like I'm making these things up, guys. So BlueHost is actually great, guys. It's like one of the big guns out there in terms of web hosting. So let's actually now we know that this site this domain name is actually available. Can pick it. You can pick a store square. Okay, can pick that and then go over here and go for stores square, right? Is that Is that okay? Store Square. So now we have Store Square as our domain name. Now, what this thing do you go with? You have to go with .com. I usually recommend .com. It looks professional, and if I just go with .com, it gives your site credibility and all that. So you click next, and then we go over to the next stage. Okay, now the domain, you can see the domain Store Square is .com is available. Believe me, if not for these guys, believe me, you could have spent like way more than what we just, as in this short time we just spent looking for only domain. Just you spend a lot of time looking for domain names, and it's not, and you might not like it. So now here you provide like basic information. Now let me go through this. You just fill in your basic information and all that. This is not going to be hard for you to like fill up. So now you choose you could actually go for the okay, here's the thing with Bluehost. The best prices come with, as in the longer you commit with them, the best the better the price you're gonna get for your hosting, understand? So you can go with that 6 months range, which is I think 3 years, understand, for your web hosting. And then you're going to get the cheapest price at you're going to get the cheapest price at that plan, understand? So I suggest you go with that, or if you want to go with fine, you can go with this, but I suggest you go for 3 years because this is your website, you need to commit with them. So another thing, now here's where things gets kind of I don't know, kind of technical, because here the truth is you'll not be needing all this. So but what I know you need is this. You need this domain privacy protection, yes, so that your information, your details, you understand, as a website owner, is going to be like protected, so that people can just come in and then steal your information. And then obviously at the very least they might be sending you spam emails and all that, so you wouldn't want that at the very least. So I think you should use this, you should check this, and then now CodeGuard Basic. Now this is actually what basically helps you back up your site in case maybe anything happens to your site, something like that. So but for the most part, I don't think you'll be needing it for $2.99 per month. There are basically other services and other plugins on WordPress. If you're going to use a WordPress site, there are plugins on WordPress that help you back up your listing, and I think most of them are free. So for $2.99, I don't think you'll be needing this at $2.99. So SEO tools, for now you don't need this. You could actually do this yourself, or you could actually hire a professional SEO as a service and provider to help you with that. Single domain SSL, all these things you need in site lock, security essentials. I don't think you'll be needing this. So that's it, guys. After that, that's it. You can now check out by inputting your payment information, and then afterwards you agree to terms and conditions, and then you click submit, and that's it. You actually registered on Bluehost, and then you now have a hosting plan for them. So now here's one thing, guys. Please always use Bluehost customer support. It's not rocket science. Their processes are fairly simple, you understand. Setting up everything is fairly simple. You just have to use this customer support. Anyway you have any problem, they are willing to help you. They're always there. They have a live chat, so you just go on a live chat with them, and then you kind of talk to them. If you have any problem at all it is, understand, no matter how it is, just chat them up, and then they are going to help you do that. So that's it, guys. And now you might be asking, I know a lot of you might be asking, but why do I need a website? You need a website, guys. You need a website. It's not something that should even be kind of convincing you. You need it. It's a necessity. Even if you're trying to venture in any slight way into having a business or having anything doing online, you need to have a website. It's very, very important. It gives credibility. It gives functionality. You understand? So that people can actually find you. Understand? I know social media is a thing these days, but then you need the website. In fact, you need the website. Very, very important. A lot of things come with website. A website also gives you professional email. Like, you won't be using the at gmail.com. You have your professional email. Like, let me say this storesquare.com. Now you can have a private a domain email, like, let me say, instead of having, like, let me say dima at gmail.com, you can be having dima at storesquare.com. It looks professional. You have been seeing it from these professional companies, you understand? so it looks professional. If you're a client and you're receiving emails like a business proposal from this kind of emails, like it gives you confidence to a level, you understand? So these things, they come with website. And then like having websites is not only enough. Having a good hosting as an server is as important as having a website on itself, because there are a lot of things come with website. There's also site speed. Yes, Bluehost, I like them because they give you good site speed. Yes, their website built with hosted on Bluehost is actually I've noticed they load faster compared to others. Yes, this is what I'm telling you. You can go on and try it, or you could go and ask people, guys. So I can't start enumerating all the benefits of this hosting server. So you got to check these guys out. If you're ready to build a website, I think you have to check them out, and I'm sure you're going to like what they're able to offer when you just oppose them with their other counterpart, their competitors. So that's it, guys. That's it for this tutorial. I believe I've made enough points and I've given you a hint, because I myself, I went through the whole headache of looking for a good hosting service. Believe me, you guys don't. Yes, thank God for YouTube. You can come on YouTube and you see these videos coming from people who have been through those same issues, and I'm giving you those tips and advice and tutorials based on practice. Believe me, it wasn't like that for everyone. Some of us, we just didn't know all these things. We didn't just our minds didn't get to it, you understand? So we found it very, very hard to kind of get around the whole thing. But thank God you're actually watching this, and now you actually know what you should do and where you should get your web hosting. Very, very important. So guys, that's it for this video. Please I need you to do me a favor. Please kindly go down below and then smash the like button. Very, very important. You guys don't know what this thing means to me and other YouTubers. Obviously, it helps YouTube recommend this video to others. Personally, the only reason I want this channel to grow is for people to see what I do here. You guys know I put out quality content out here, and I put a lot of work and resources, look for what you guys really need. I do this for people so that I can actually help a lot of people. So it will actually mean a lot. It will actually help our mission if our word, our works can actually spread to a lot of people, so we can help as much as possible. So that's what the like button helps us do. It's when you smash it, it actually helps you to say, okay, now we can actually recommend this to this guy, and that guy. So you could see for you it's just a like button, but for the other guy who might be needing this kind of video, it means the world to him. So please kindly go down below and smash that like button. You never know who you are going to be helping with that. So that's it, guys. Also remember to, like I said, remember to subscribe to our channel so that I can get alerted anytime we drop awesome content like this. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.